Hi children, how are you? I hope you all doing good. By the way, this is Saujanya. Welcome to e-Manabadi. Children, today our topic is Algebra chapter 11 for class 6. Okay children, let's quickly get into the introduction to algebra. Children, so far we have studied two branches of mathematics called arithmetic and geometry, where the arithmetic deals with the numbers and operations on number and the properties of numbers, whereas this geometry deals with the shapes of two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes and their properties. But now we are entering into the new branch of mathematics called algebra. Children, the use of algebra is all about usage of letters. These letters will allow us to write the rules and formulas in a general way. Okay children, let's see how we will use the letters in our algebra. Let me explain this with an example. Children, here are two chocolates and these prizes were not given. So in algebra we make use of letters for the to represent the unknown quantities. These letters represent the unknown quantities. Suppose here the price of dairy milk, we don't know the price of dairy milk. So let's assume the price of dairy milk as x. Children, generally we take x and n to represent the unknown values, but we can take any letters like L, M, Z and P. You can take any letters from the English alphabets to represent the unknown quantities. So here this X is representing the unknown quantity and this X also takes any number of values, not just a particular value. That means this X may take 10 rupees, this X may take 5 rupees and this X may also take 100 rupees also. So this X value is not fixed to any value. This is keep on changing and we can perform operations by using these letters. So children, let's see how we will perform operations by using the letters. Children, here we have assumed that the price of dairy milk is X rupees and also we know that the price of Snickers chocolate is 2 rupees more than the price of dairy milk chocolate. So from this we can say that the price of Snickers chocolate is X plus 2 rupees. Am I right children? Can I take like that? Yes, because the price of dairy milk is X and Snickers chocolate is 2 rupees more than the price of dairy milk. So the price of Snickers is X plus 2 rupees. So if X takes 5 rupees, then the price of Snickers chocolate is 5 plus 2, that is equal to 7 rupees. Suppose if X takes 7 rupees, then the price of Snickers chocolate is 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9 rupees. This is how we will solve the unknown quantities. And children, we can perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication by using the letters just as how we are using in case of numbers. We can perform any number of operations by using the numbers just like how we are doing in case of numbers. We can do with the letters also. Here this 4 into 5 plus 2, this is the arithmetic expression, whereas because we are using all the numbers, but here this x plus 2 is called algebraic expression. This x plus 2 is called algebraic expression because we are using letters to perform the operations. So this x plus 2 is an algebraic expression where x is the variable. This x can take any number, not just a particular number, and this x is a unknown quantity. So from this we can say that the algebra is all about assuming the unknown quantities as letters and learning the methods to find out the to determine the unknown quantities. Okay children, let's see some more examples how we will use algebra in solving puzzles and problems in our daily life, and how algebra is making our lives simple. Okay children, here the children are making simple patterns of letters by using the matchsticks. Here they form the letter L by using two matchsticks. Here the number of matchsticks required to form one L is two matchsticks, and to form two L's we have added two more matchsticks and we formed another L, and the number of matchsticks required is 4. To form 3 L's, we have again added 2 more matchsticks to form the letter L, and the number of matchsticks required for the formation of 3 L's is 6 matchsticks. So the children, this process keep on going, and the children formulated a table to find out the number of matchsticks required for the formation of number of L's. Children, by observing this table, we can say that to form one L, we have used two matchsticks. To form two L's, the number of matchsticks required is 4. To form 3 L's, the number of matchsticks required is 6. And to form 4 L's, the number of matchsticks required is 8. By keenly observing this table, we can say that the number of matchsticks required is twice the number of L's formed, because here this 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Here this 1 is nothing but number of L's formed. So, and here the number of matchsticks required for forming 2 L's is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. This 2 is nothing but number of L's formed, and here the number of matchsticks required for forming 3 L's is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6, where this 3 can is nothing but number of L's formed, and to form 4 L's, the number of matchsticks required is 2 into 4, that is equal to 8, where this 4 is nothing but number of L's formed. So from this we can say that if you assume the number of L's formed is equal to n, so we are assuming the number of L's formed with the letter n. So from this we can say that the number of matchsticks required is equal to 2 into n, that is equal to 2n. Here this n is a variable because this n can take any value 1, 2, 8, or it may take 100 also. So this 2n is nothing but 2 into n is nothing but 2n, both are same. So this here we are performing the multiplication operation by using the letter n. So this 2n is nothing but algebraic expression, where n is a variable that represents the number of L's formed. So suppose children, if you have asked to form the 500 L's, how many number of matchsticks were required? The formation of this figure is quite impossible because we can't keep on adding two matchsticks to form L's till 500 L's are formed. So this is quite impossible, but by using this algebraic expression we can directly say that to form 500 L's, we can directly say that this is nothing but 2 into 500, that is equal to 1000 mastics are required to form the 500 Ls. To form 500 Ls, we need 1000 mastics. This can be easily done by using the rule 2n. So this is how we will use the algebraic expressions to solve the critical puzzles. And children, this is your turn to find out the to form a rule to find out the number of mastics required for the number of C's formed for any number of C's formed. Children, you find out how many sticks are required to find out the to form the 100 C's. How many mastics are required? You form a rule to find out the number of mastics by using this table. Okay, the answers will be posted on the comment section, and if you have any queries, please comment on the comment section. Please do share, subscribe and like. Thank you children.